Hi guys, we are here at Tierra Nava Taguluan. So this is now the latest updates of our project here at Tierra Nava Taguluan. We have already units that are built already. So look at that. And here is our press selling units. Advantage, press selling units are lower price compared to RFO units. So this is also our house model unit. This one is a bear type unit and this one is a dress up model unit. Our deliverable unit is a bear type unit. But as of the moment, we will visit our dress up model unit. After turnover of your house, you can design your own home like this. So you can imitate the design of this house after turnover. Look at that. Here is our comfort room. That's already free shower head. Here is our sink with ceramic or granite countertop and also our cabinet. And right here is our service area. So all the cleaning materials and anything that you want to put here just to make inside of your house organized. So this is the perfect place to use. And here as well is our rainwater collector. So you can use this water to water the plants, to flush your bowls, or anything that you want to use with the rainwater. And come on, let's go inside. So we will go upstairs. Upstairs, guys, is a provision for two bedrooms. So the deliverable unit upstairs is a bear type, so it has no partition, no rooms. But this is a dress up model also in the second level of our house. You can imitate this design after turnover. Look at that. Beautiful. And here is our other room. This could be your kid's room. So reserve your unit now. Contact me, Rodel Barliso, your sales manager from Philippine Homes. Thank you so much.